In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell a bundle in Stan Store. First, log into your Stan Store account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look over to the left-hand panel and click on My Store. This is where you manage all your offers. To create your bundle, click on Add Product. You'll see a list of different product types you can add. For this tutorial, choose Digital Product, since a bundle is usually a collection of digital files or links. You'll now be inside the product editor. On the right side of the screen, you'll see a live preview. This is really helpful because as you make changes, you can immediately see how your bundle will look to your customers. Next, choose a style for how this product will appear: button, callout, or preview. Pick the style that best matches your store's look. Then click Choose Image. A pop-up will appear where you can either select from existing images in your Stan Store library or click Upload Image to add one from your computer. After selecting your image, a small editing window will let you crop and adjust it so it fits nicely. When you're happy with it, click Use this photo. Now it's time to add your text. Enter the title of your digital product, for example, bundle, and briefly mention what's included, like templates, guides, or trainings. Then add a subtitle that reassures your buyer, something like, "We'll deliver this file straight to your inbox," or "receive everything instantly via email." Finally, adjust the button text so it feels action-oriented, such as "Get this bundle," "Download bundle," or "Download now." Click Next to move to the checkout page editor. Here you can add another image if you'd like, again using Choose Image. Then write a clear, detailed description of what's inside your bundle. Rich text is supported, so you can use headings, spacing, and emphasis to make it easy to scan. Edit the text near the bottom and customize your main call to action button so it matches your offer. Now set your pricing, enter the main price in the price field. If you want to offer a deal for this bundle, toggle on the discount option. For example, you might set the original price at $50 and the discounted price at $45. In the preview on the right, you'll see $50 crossed out, with $45 highlighted as the new price. This visually shows shoppers they're getting a discount. Next, configure the fields you're collecting from your customers. Name and email are included by default and can't be removed, since you'll need those to deliver the product. If you want additional information, click Add Field and choose from options like phone, a short text field, multiple choice, drop down, or checkboxes. Only collect what you'll actually use to keep checkout simple. Now upload your digital product files. You have two options. First, you can redirect to a URL. In this case, paste the link where customers should be sent after purchase and make sure the product name clearly describes what they're getting there. Second, you can upload files directly. Click Upload. Then in the pop-up window, select your digital files from your computer. You can select multiple files by holding down the Control key, or you can upload a single zip file if everything is compressed together. Click Open and wait for the upload to finish. The time this takes will depend on the size of your bundle. Once your files are fully uploaded, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Publish. Your bundle is now live and ready to sell in your Stan Store.